What's up, guys? We're here in the shop, and I just want to take a second and show you the new 2021 off-road models and the new gray color scheme, because it is sick. It's probably my favorite looking KTM ever. So I got a 500 EXC over here. I just popped the top on the crate, so let's go check it out. Check it out, guys. Super cool. The gray in the shroud, two-tone gray, yeah, it looks good, but this is where I really dig it. That is just looks sweet. So much better than the white. Extends all the way to the rear fender. And yes, they did add a little to the fork guard. You can't really see it. It's right there, but just like they added a little bit of blue to the moto models. This gray is just a beautiful touch. This is a 500 EXC. Yeah, so I'll do a better walk around video once the bike's assembled and in the showroom. And but this will just kind of give you an idea what the gray looks like in a real world smartphone camera. It looks really cool. Definitely my favorite look thus far. Thanks for watching.